Hey guys, Piccolo here, and well, not feeling good right now because like there's actually like some people going around here, or probably inside of the house, and probably sent some message on me, and like someone like around a website, or probably on an email. I don't know, but might be someone around. But I guess I could go check around. Wait, two. Let's see if it's still clock. 3, 2, 1. Yo. This is not good. This is not good. It's actually sealed shut. Are you serious? Are you serious again? Yo, is there actually somebody there? Okay, don't do it. Okay, there's actually nobody. What if it's around these pile of clothes? Yeah, this is a lot to do. Seriously, a lot. It might be around in this other closet. Gosh. Damn, this is a lot.
I'll get the PS3 controllers. So I can
Oh god, I forgot about the balloon. But dude, you smell what? That's a large one. That's a large one. But it turns out the plants are growing back.
show me.
Alright, here he is. Put the tongue out. Well, turned out that I got some milk around here. I don't know how I got some. Patience. Dude, who's that? Oh, it turned out them. It turned out it's them. But somehow, mail right here. I read it, and yeah, so I don't know what's going on. Wow. And what?
Oh, man, kidnap. Like it.
Your battery! You're taking my battery down! Yeah, okay. There's actually some dogs around here, and I'm gonna check in the closet right now. I'm literally shaking right now. I'm literally shaking. This one. 3, 2. Dude, I just heard something. Dude, no way. No way. I literally heard something inside there. I heard something in there.
No way.
I seriously heard something in there. Seriously in there. No, there's... Wait. No, there's... It's not clickbait. You know what? I'm scared. No, I'm freaking out. I'm freaking out. I don't want to open it. I don't want to open it. I don't want to open it. Seriously, I don't want to open it.
Tengo la pistola.
Oh yeah, la pistola. Yeah. Okay. Who's there? Who's there? Oh gosh. Oh yeah, I forgot. It doesn't work anymore.
For real?
Yeah, it doesn't work.
Yeah, but you said you have another one, right?
Yeah.
Oh, where is it?
I don't know. I think I did. Oh. It's time to open it, I guess. Better be brave. I don't want to give up, and let's just do it. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.